Hey everyone, let's talk about the Silicone Reline Denture set that's been making their rounds lately. There's been some buzz and a lot of suspicion about whether this product is legit or just another online scam. Okay, if you consider buying it, let's break it down. So, what we know so far and see whether it's worth your money or should you just steer clear. Okay, so what's the deal with the Silicone Reline Denture set? Okay, the Silicone Reline Denture set actually has been marketed online as an easy solution for relining your dentures at home. Okay, but what it does is it promises a quick, okay, promises a quick, affordable, and comfortable fix for anyone looking to improve the fit of their dentures without a visit to the dentist. Now, if you've had denture work done, you'll know that relining usually isn't that cheap or simple. So this product sounds pretty attractive on the surface, okay? Now, what are some of the red flags to look out for? Okay. One is the unusual pricing, guys. Look at this. Unusual pricing. Okay, the price of the silicone reline denture set is one of the first things raising eyebrows. It's often listed for a lot less than what you'd expect for a quality denture kit. This kind of pricing can be a major red flag. It might look like a good deal, but a price that low could mean that you're either getting low quality materials or even worse, nothing at all. Okay? And another one thing is, guys, the lack of brand reputation. Okay, this product often appears on a lesser known website. They don't have any real brand reputation. Sites that sell it may not provide contact information, return policies, or even proper customer service. And when you can't find reliable information about the seller or the product, it's usually not a good indicator that something's wrong, right? Now, another thing, guys, another problem is that they have no customer reviews or product verification, and the ones that are on Amazon are really bad reviews. So when you're shopping for any dental or health related product, a genuine customer feedback, guys, is very important. Okay, it's very crucial. And for the silicone reliant denture set, there is a noticeable lack of trustworthy customer reviews on any major sites or firms. Okay, any reviews that do exist often seem suspiciously positive or vague, which could mean that they're being fake or manipulated. And guys, there's actually negative feedback on similar products. So there are several reports on similar products from the same websites with, type of website. They have customers receiving poorly made products or even empty packages, guys. Okay. Users Users have reported feeling scammed, and there's no recourse for refunds or customer support. So, should you buy this product? Okay, so is the silicone reline denture set legit? Okay, based on the red flags we've covered, unusually low pricing, lack of customer reviews, and unreliable sources selling it, it's probably best to avoid this product. You don't want to risk your money on something that might not deliver what it promises, or even worse, guys, it could be unsafe for your teeth. Okay, this is dangerous, guys. This is really dangerous. Okay, so the final verdict is if you're looking for a reliable denture reline, it's best to stick with trusted products from reputable sellers or just consult with your dentist for safe, professional recommendations. Remember, if a product seems too good to be true, especially for health related items, it often is. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to do your research and shop safe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.